better than a single layer sandwich? If you ask me, I would say a double-decker sandwich. In today's video, I'll show you how to put together a double-decker sandwich that would leave you wanting more. I'm Thelma, and welcome to my kitchen. I've gone ahead to toast my bread slices. The reason you want to toast your bread slices before you start assembling your sandwich is to prevent your bread from going soggy. Don't forget, we're going to add some sauces. The tomato already has like a wet consistency, so toasting the bread will prevent it from getting soggy. Let's assemble our sandwich. So first of all, I'll spread some mayo on all 3 bread slices. So I'll start by adding some lettuce to my bread, followed by some cabbage. I'll go ahead and add some of my chicken. Just make sure you get that in all the corners. Few pieces of onions. I'll put some of my sauce right on top of my sandwich, and then top that with some tomatoes. Now we add the middle layer. Make sure to press it down lightly, not too much. You don't want to break that bread. Repeat the process again. Then I'll go in with some cabbage, some purple cabbage as well, more chicken, a few shredded pieces of carrots, going with some onions again, more of my sauce. Top that with 2 slices of tomatoes, and finally it's time to close up our sandwich. Make sure to press down lightly, not too much. You don't want to break the middle layer. So it's time to slice our sandwich. Let me know in the comment section, how do you prefer your sandwiches, 1 layer or 2 layer sandwiches? If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you click the like button and don't forget to smash the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.